Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop for editing. So here we are using the features of Photoshop. We will use the background remover tool. So here it is. We are using the filters. Now we will go for the further changes. It's an exposure, contrast as well, highlights and blacks. Here is the clarity, vibrance. So that's the image. As you can see how it is looking with it. It's looking very nice with these images. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.